Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from HCL. HCL is hiring 2023 password batch candidates for graduate engineer trainee role. For this, any degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. Salary will be up to 5 lakhs per annum. So in this video, I'll discuss what is the eligibility criteria, job location, how to apply, what is the last day to apply, and some other important details. So everything I'll discuss in this video. So please watch full video for better understanding. So without wasting time, let's get started. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box, then it will redirect you on this website. Here you can read all the details regarding this job. So for this, any degree candidates can apply. All branches are eligible. Eligibility criteria, so there is a 70% criteria in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation. So if you have less than 70% marks, then you are not eligible. After that, freshers can apply. Test location and interview location both will be virtual. Job location will be Ahmedabad. Last day to apply they did not mention, so please apply as soon as possible before they close the application. So required skills are hardware, C, C++, Java, SAP, 3G, 4G, 5G modem, L1 and L2 modem, L2 design, right? So if you have these skills, then you are good to apply. And let me show the official announcement. Before that, you can see this is the official post by HCL only on LinkedIn, right? Here you can see 4 days ago this job is posted, and here you can see everything regarding the job, right? So this is the official information. After that, here if you have any education gap, any active backlogs, then also you are eligible, don't worry. And there will be a bond for 12 months, and you need to click here to apply for this job. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this website. Here you need to fill the details. So first step is you need to register yourself. Here you need to enter your details. If you already have your account, then simply you need to log in instead of register, right? And after that, suppose if you are registering for the first time, then you need to verify your email ID. After that, you need to fill the application, then you need to submit the application. Once you will submit the application and you are eligible, then you will receive an online exam link from this HCL company. Yeah, so please apply. This is very huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.